Hi friends, hope you are well. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add additional time zone clocks in your Windows 10 PC. So you can add up to 2 clocks in your Windows 10 computer. So let's begin. First, we need to open our Windows 10 time and date settings. For opening the time and date settings, we just need to go to the taskbar and go to the time. Here it is, and click the right button on it. And here it is, the adjust date and time. We just need to click on that, and here you can see our Windows 10 date and time settings, and from here we just need to go to the add clocks for different time zones. I'm going to click on that, and here it is, the date and time dialog box, and we just need to check show this clock. I'm going to check on that, and you can select the time zones from this dialog box. I'm going to select the Central Time, US and Canada, and we can also name our clock from here. So I'm going to name it with US. So we can add another clock by checking this, show this clock, and we can select the time zone from here and change the name. And now we need to click the apply button, then OK. Now we added our 2 new clocks. We can check it by hovering over this or click on this, and here it is, the US time and the Jerusalem time. So this is the video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the big red subscribe button down below for getting upcoming free learning videos like this one. And thank you for watching.